concluding with this slide, that is ICAI is having these small terms, these small attitudes, except the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. We have I for integrity, I for interest, I for involvement, I for intelligence, C for confidence, C for consistency, C for commitment, A for attitude, A for aspiration, A for ambition, and then we have the end I for integrity, which combines all the words here which we read, and I for intuition. Intuition means the sense, and then we have the last thing, that is inspiration. We need to have someone all above in our head or as a dream, keeping that, yes, like that person I want to be, or I want to be a CA, I want to get that name, CA tag, Ilagundali. That's all about ICAI. Okay, I hope something. It is not easy. These words you need to get used to. Every single point, every single moment you are into the course, you please make sure that you at least get that much 1 minute or 2 minutes in a day. You start learning about what is interest, what is involvement, what is intelligence. I've already said you, but do something on that and get that characteristics in you. Got it? Yes. Unmute and speak. Yes, no, something. Kuch to bolo.
Yes.
So let's go to the next slide. See, next slide is all about Vision 2030. What ICA wants. ICA is a leading accounting body. Please unmute. Please unmute. Please mute. Yeah. So it is about vision of ICA, world's leading accounting body. And so we'll have, like it says, about n number of professionals getting very trusted, and financially they're the most strongest into accounting as assurance, taxation, finance. These are the services which you as a CA will provide. Okay. Chalo, next slide. Mission is all the same, its vision, mission are almost the same. Small difference unta, and there is a small difference. Okay. Mission is, it develops an independent, transparent regulatory mechanism that keeps a pace with changing times. Okay, with time, see, when we became CA, it was a different atmosphere. You people becoming a CA is a different atmosphere. There are things changing. When we were CA, we didn't have orientation batch of 15 days. You people are having. We had just for a week. Why you people are having, you understand that? Because what CA Institute has thought, CA Institute got a knowledge that only becoming CA only in bookish language is not CA. That person who is a CA must have those characteristics. What are those characteristics? And please unmute and speak. What are those characteristics?
Interest, involvement, intelligence. Professional competence,
Very good. Nice. Everyone is with me. I got it. Everyone is with me.
Professional skepticism.
Understood that you people are not sleeping. Okay. Fine. Let's continue. You people know it or not know it. There are some things, that is Chartered Accountants Act. It was set up in 1949. Do you know when was Cost Accountancy Act set up? Anyone can answer me, when was Cost Accountancy, ICMAI or ICWAI? When it started?
1959.
Absolutely.
1949.
No, it's 59. After exactly 10 years, ICWAI got up this institute. They had this statutory body and they started the regulation of accountancy and cost accountancy. ICWAI. For chartered accountancy, its most important is accounting and finance. Got it? Let's go to the next one. Next, you can just have a look. Regional offices, how many regional? You must know. These are important. Okay? You must know. Branches only 153. Practice abroad 27. Mute. Hello, mute karo. Regional offices are 5. and then there are special. Can anyone say me what is history?
It reflects the background of the person who's a CA.
Exactly. It means
shadow, ma'am.
it's the shadow. That's what I'm saying. You become a CA, and as you stand, it should be a shadow to others that in CA, in CA, Lagundali. Okay? Got it? Everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
So make a mark,
Yes, ma'am.
do something, and pass CA. And as you pass CA, you will have a double confidence in you, in standing, in confidence, in the level you talk, in the level you manage your family, you manage your clients. Excellent undavi. Okay, the skills will be developed by us. Got it? So, thank you so much. The first session is done. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, I hope
Thank you, ma'am.
you guys understood, and
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
something getting inspired, something good going on in your brains, a positive vibe is going on. I hope the first class is
Yes,
a
ma'am.
bit of entertaining. You're enjoying it, you're learning it. I hope.
Yes, ma'am.
And also it is interactive. I hope it is interactive. Yes, Pooja?
Yeah, ma'am.
All going on well? Happy vibes? Yes, no? Manahuna, Veda, Gupta. So what we do now is we just take a break. We take a break. Everyone here, everyone there.